In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV Series 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung TV model you have, and regardless of which iPhone model you have, you can easily screen mirror. This will be done using AirPlay. So most modern Samsung TVs will have AirPlay directly built into them. So all that you have to do is go over to the menu, access the settings, and then if needed, all settings once more. So go into the settings of your Samsung TV. Now look for the connection category at the left. What you have to do is make sure that the same Wi-Fi network is being used between the TV and the iPhone. So if you have a different network set up on one of them, or if they aren't connected to the same one for whatever reason, then change it now. Make sure that both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And once this has been done, now access the connection category and go into Apple AirPlay settings. So at the bottom, you will see it here. Choose Apple AirPlay settings on your Samsung TV, and to begin, make sure that it is enabled. With AirPlay enabled, you can now optionally configure the required code category. So usually a code will be required for the first time connection, and then for subsequent ones it won't be asked. But if you prefer, you can change it to always ask for a passcode, and then you have subtitles and captioning options. Now, once you go into your iPhone, swipe down to show the control center, tap on this icon here and you will see screen mirroring options, and now your Samsung TV should appear on this list. Once you see it here, select your Samsung TV and it will require the passcode depending on what you had set up. Input the passcode if requested, choose OK, and now anything being displayed on your iPhone's screen will be mirrored over right away to your Samsung TV. It is simple to do and you will be able to mirror any application, so YouTube, Netflix, you can go into the Photos app, you can browse through photos, watch videos, and so on. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to the channel metrics. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.